Hey everyone, welcome to Techify. Today we are starting a complete Git beginner series. If you're someone who wants to learn coding, get into software testing, automation or development, Git is the first tool you must learn. In this video, we will understand Git from zero. By the end, you will know exactly what is Git, why it is used, how Git works, Git workflow, basic command. So grab your notebook and let's begin with our Git series. First topic, what is Git? Okay, Git is a tool that helps you manage changes to your code over time. Git is a version control system that tracks changes in your code. Every time you update or modify a file, Git saves the version. It helps you go back to any previous version easily. Git is used in every IT company development, QA, DevOps. Okay, for example, I will explain. Imagine you are working on a Java class called employee data. This class handles one thing, calculating annual salary. In version 1, class has method calculate salary. It works perfectly. You save this perfect stable code. Now in version 2, you decide to add a brand new method, calculate bonus. While writing this method, you accidentally change variable name. Now entire application throws error. Okay, now instead of finding an error, use Git to tell your project. Okay, whenever you're trying to tell Git, the Git will track all the changes you have made in the last hour and refer this file back, and the code is committed successfully. Section 2, why do we need Git? So there are few advantages of using Git. First one is backup and safety. So even if your laptop crashes, your code stays safe. Okay, the second one is teamwork. Multiple people can work on the same project without overwriting each other code. Third is undo mistake. In the last example, I already seen that if while changes the method, you can revert back to the Git and you can commit the changes and you can track what happened and what mistake was there in the code. So you can restore old version anytime. Now let's begin with the section 3 where we are going to compare Git versus GitHub. So Git is a distribute version control system for tracking changes to source code, whereas GitHub is web-based application for hosting and collaborating on Git repositories. GitHub, Git is locally installed by developers computer on developers computer and work offline. GitHub is provided centralized storage and access to code from anywhere. Git is a software, GitHub is a service, and where Git is maintained by Linux community, whereas GitHub is maintained by Microsoft since 2008. Now the section 4, we are going to learn how Git works. The workflow is already shown on the screen. So the Git uses three-stage architecture. Git utilizes a three-stage architecture for tracking changes. The first one is working directory. This is where you actively modify your project files. Second one is stacking area. It is also known as index. When you have made changes you want to include in the next commit, you stack them using git add. This adds the modified files in the stacking area. The third one is local repo, also known as committed files. Okay, when you are satisfied the stack changes done in the stacking area, you commit them using git commit. This creates a permanent snapshot of the project state at that moment and store it in the local repository. The fourth one is remote repo. For collaboration, developer typically use a central remote repository. For the first one, we will see the git pull. Okay, pulling to get the latest changes made by the collaborator. You git pull from the remote repo, which fetches and merge those changes into your local. The second one is pushing. To share your local changes, your collaborators, you git push them to remote. Congratulations! In this video, you learned the complete basic of Git. In the next video, I will teach you Git installation. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techify for more tech tutorial. See you soon in next video.